Welcome back to another day inside the courtroom, where eviction battles collide with everyday struggles. Today's docket is packed with pivotal moments that could make or break the tenants fighting to keep a roof over their heads. One wrong step, and they could be out the door for good. Let's jump right in.
I'm Attorney Hamza Sob on behalf of the plaintiff.
Your name?
Jennifer Ruth Smith.
All right, where are we on this?
Your Honor, we entered into a consent agreement. Currently, the rent to retain is $4,000. Court costs are $175. The total outstanding balance is $4,175. Under paragraph 10 of the proposed order, it states defendant shall pay $835 starting July 21st, 2025, and then every month moving forward on the 1st till the balance is paid. Defendant must also stay current with the rent moving forward, and then Ms. Smith has signed the proposed order as well.
All right. And so it's $835 plus rent.
Yes, plus the $925.
All right.
I'm finally back to work.
Pardon?
I'm finally back.
Finally back. Great. All right. And you have any questions regarding this consent judgment, ma'am?
Just if something comes up, what happens to me?
Okay, what do you mean?
I was dealing with cancer.
That question cuts deep. This isn't only about paying rent, it's about survival. Smith, who is fighting cancer, now finds himself walking a legal tightrope. Can compassion truly exist alongside strict courtroom rules? If you were the judge, how would you decide?
Yes.
And I had to take time off work for that.
Okay.
So I'm still not 100% in the clear, but I'm doing everything that I can to maintain employment and hold on to my home.
All right. Well, let me...
Apologize for the bad handwriting, Your Honor.
Pardon?
I apologize for the bad handwriting.
Yeah. I don't think
I do believe
I don't
the
think
amount
there's
is
enough.
low.
I'm sorry to make this up, but anyway, if you don't pay this, they can seek to get an order of eviction.
Okay,
Okay.
so communication.
Yeah, I would think so. I would say this, that under your circumstances, I would hope they're obviously working with you, but it seems to me if you get through, or as you're working through this, if for whatever reason something happens, I'll put it this way, I would hope that plaintiff would work with you as best that they can.
All right, thank you.
All right, so I'll have that message sent. And if not, then you can always file a motion with the court,
Okay.
Seeking some type of relief because of circumstances you couldn't anticipate. All right?
Thank you.
How's that for an answer?
Thank
Is that
you,
all
Your
right?
It alleviates some stress in my head right now.
The judge just offered a crucial lifeline, a motion for relief. In simple terms, if life delivers another setback, she still has options. Courts may appear unyielding, but there is room for compassion when you understand your rights.
Yeah, okay. And so I will sign this. Did you apprise her of the 3-day rescission?
I have not, Your Honor.
All right. Ma'am, I've signed the judgment. You have 3 business days to think about this judgment. If you think that there's some legal reason, some right you didn't assert, or some other confusion on your part, you have those 3 business days to file a motion with the court to have the court consider setting this aside.
Okay.
Doesn't mean I will, but you have that time period to do that.
All right, thank you.
Okay? Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank
I'm going
you, Your
back
Honor.
to work.
Have a great day.
Court does call the case of Mrs. Haverkamp, LLC versus Chase Hyatt.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. David Fanter on behalf of the plaintiff.
Name?
Chase Hyatt.
All right.
Your Honor, Mr. Hyatt and I have come to an agreement. The amount of rent that's owed is $775, court costs of $175 for a total of $950. We've agreed that that amount has to be paid by July 21st, or he could be evicted. He says he's made some payments that I'm unable to verify, but he said he'll have the whole thing paid by next Friday. So I think the 21st works. And I'm getting old.
This is, in form of a consent judgment.
Yes, consent judgment.
All right.
I don't remember whether I advised him of his rights under the court rule.
That's fine. All right. And do you have any questions regarding anything on this judgment?
No.
All right. I'm going to sign off on the judgment and enter that by consent. You do have 3 business days to think about this. If you believe that there's some legal reason, some confusion, or some right you didn't assert, you would have to file a motion with the court within those 3 business days to set this aside.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes.
Have a great weekend.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court does call the case of Sandy McFiddish versus Jamie Leslie. Hello.
I'm Jamie Leslie.
Hi.
Another case, another consent judgment. These agreements are like ticking time bombs. Miscreates a single payment, and eviction could be at your door. Ever think about the kind of pressure that when you're already barely getting by? This is legal survival mode playing out right in front of us.
I have numbers first. Your Honor, David Fantier, on behalf of the plaintiff, I have a signed conditional dismissal in this case. The rent owing in the amount of $2,071.24, court cost of $175 for a total of $2246.24. Miss Leslie and I have agreed to a payment plan where she's going to pay $2,000 a month starting August 15th. Her rent is normally $1,465, so she's going to basically be paying $2,000 by the 15th. $1,465 will go toward the current rent and late fee. An additional $535 will go toward that balance. It'll basically take 4 months to get caught up. I think she's going to make partial payments. I told her I don't really care as long as the whole thing is paid. As long as when I look on the balance on the ledger on the 16th, I show $2,000 since the previous month. And so I think.
Okay. So it's not part of the agreement, but you're thinking you may be able to have some extra money that you can put forward, try to get it done.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Is that your understanding?
Yes.
All right. Did you have any questions regarding this conditional order of dismissal?
No, thank you.
All right.
She did ask for a copy.
Yes, sorry.
She asked me for a copy. She didn't just say it to you, but she asked in the hallway.
I don't make copies. What do you? No, we'll take care of it.
Okay.
All right. So I will sign off on the conditional order of dismissal. You do have 3 business days to think about this. If you believe there's some legal reason, some right you didn't assert, or some confusion on your part, you'd have to file a motion within that time frame.
Okay.
You understand that?
Yes.
All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Weidling will get a copy for you just momentarily.
Okay.
Just have a seat.
Court does call the.
So far, we've watched a courtroom walk the fine line between compassion and consequences. But here's the pattern. Everyone gets 3 business days to rethink their agreement. It might sound like a small window, but legally, it's your only chance for a do-over. Use it carefully.
Case of YPF 16 versus Christina Morgan. And Terry Jones.
David Fantier, on behalf of the plaintiff.
Your name?
Morgan.
All right. And where are we on this?
Your Honor, we had a chance to go over her ledger in the hallway, and we've got her balance is now down to $313, which she agrees is correct. She said she's going to pay that next Friday. So I've got to be here next Friday at 1 o'clock anyway. Can we adjourn this till next Friday? And then if we come to court and she's got it down to 0, I'll just be dismissing.
Case. That sound good to you?
Absolutely.
Okay, so I just want to make sure logistically so we're clear. When are you going to pay that? Are you going to pay that on Friday?
Friday morning, just like
Friday morning.
But she pays it online through her card.
So you'll
her
be able
card.
to see it.
She'll be able to show me, and
She'll
I'll
be able to
verify.
show you. Okay. All right. I was just trying to see if there was a way to do it where she didn't have to show, but I get it. We'll do it that way. All right. So I will adjourn this then to July 18th, 2025 at 1 p.m. At 1 p.m.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great weekend. Court does call the case of YPF 16 versus Marla Borders.
We don't have any.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. David Fantier, on behalf of the plaintiff.
Your name?
Marla Borders.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I've got a conditional dismissal on this case also. Her current rent is $3,285, court costs of $175 for a total of $3,460. We've agreed that starting August 5th, she's going to pay a total of $1,527.50 per month. And the reason we're doing it that way is her lease actually goes through next March. So we spread the $3,460 over that 8-month period.
Got it.
So she's going to pay $1,527.50. $1,095 will get applied towards her current rent and late fees, and then the remainder will be applied towards her arrearage. And I think that'll work out just fine.
All right. Is all of that correct, ma'am?
I agree.
All right. Do you have any questions regarding anything on here?
None at this time.
All right. And just also to apprise you, you do have, I've signed the conditional order of dismissal. You have 3 business days to think about it. If you believe that there's some legal reason, some confusion, or some right you didn't assert, you'd have to file a motion with this court within that time frame. You understand that?
Yes.
All right, very good. I will sign that. Thank you, ma'am.
Now I'm done with your honors. Have a great weekend.
You do the same, sir. And Mrs. Haverkamp versus Decker, that matter's dismissed on claims.
Sorry, I forgot.
No, it's okay. Oh, is it? All right, Mr. Decker?
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Okay, yes, we can hear you. They dismissed your case. You have a problem with that?
Dismissal? Not at all, sir.
I didn't think so. You don't have to smile so much. All right.
Hey, it's a good thing, man. It's a blessing. I don't have so many stress and problems anymore, boss.
All right. All right. You take care. Have a great weekend.
You as well, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Arbor Meadows versus Karen Contreras Hernandez.
Front, take a flip plate.
I think so. There she is. All right. Your name?
Karen Contreras Hernandez.
All right. Where are we on this case?
This is a termination of tenancy matter based on the failure to maintain the residence.
All right. I don't think you were here at the last hearing.
I was not. I was attorney of leave.
And she's overseas serving our country. You're aware of that?
Attorney Landman did indicate that she had said that. We don't have any proof of that other than her statements, but I'm not.
I can look in her background. I also saw some uniform and military paraphernalia at the last hearing, and I'm going to tell you, she's overseas.
I'll take her word.
All right. I mean, I'm not going to even question that part of it. But given that fact, my understanding is there's something that has to be moved from the unit, from the property.
Inside the unit.
Pardon?
In a trailer, just assorted things need to be relocated.
Okay, and my understanding, I think the gentleman that was here the last time, was that Mr. Contreras, ma'am?
Correct.
That-
My husband.
Okay. He had indicated that they were basically waiting for her to come back stateside. That's my understanding.
Correct.
And when is that anticipated to occur, ma'am?
Okay, so I should be back. I want to say within like a month, maybe a little bit longer. But
All
that's
right.
now. Mhm.
All right.
I don't have an exact date.
Pardon?
I don't have an exact date.
Gotcha. Yeah, I understand. So, although there's the condition that's there, is anything regarding that condition a significant health hazard or life-threatening in any
No,
way?
Judge.
All right, because and I stated this to Mr. Landman, I am not going to, unless forced, issue a judgment against military personnel that's overseas serving. It's just not going to happen. I think I made that clear. If you want to take it to another judge to do it, that's fine, but I'm not doing it. That's bottom line. So what I'm going to suggest, if she's anticipating being back, then you're going to, I'm going to say put it out a month. Let her get back, or at least a month, and let her get back and then assess the situation and try to figure out what to do.
That's understandable, Your Honor.
All right. All right. And what branch did you say you were in?
Army?
Oh, that's right. So maybe I'll change my mind. No, I'm kidding. All right. Why don't you give me a date? About 35 plus days out, please.
August 15th at 3 p.m.
All right. I'm going to adjourn this to August 15th, 2025. You said 3 p.m.?
Yes.
At 3 p.m. Okay?
And this will be an in-person, correct?
This will be an in-person hearing. If for whatever reason you're not back, then what you can do is you can sign in, or somebody can let us know that you're not coming back at that particular point in time, and we'll figure something out.
Okay.
Okay?
sounds- Yes, thank you so much, Your Honor.
All right, ma'am, thank you very much for your service. Do appreciate it. It's because of people like you that I get to do what I get to do every day, and I'm grateful, always. All right.
Thank
Take
you.
care and please be safe.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.